Welcome back. Well, global coal prices continue to drop amid expectations of slower demand from China and Europe. Last Friday, the price of coal at the Ice Newcastle Futures Index fell to $183 per ton. This marked the lowest price in 13 months, or the lowest since the 12th of January 2022. To put it in context, coal prices surged above $400 a ton last year. On a weekly basis, Ice Newcastle coal prices also fell by over 11% last week, marking 7 consecutive weeks of price drops, the worst record since May 2019. The drop in coal prices comes amid expectations of slower demand from China, amid a slow recovery in China's steel and construction industries. Meanwhile, natural gas prices in Europe are also down, dropping to the lowest level in the past 17 months. The drop in gas prices will lower the need to switch to coal and is thus raising expectations of slower demand for coal in Europe. Well, state-owned geothermal company Pertamina Geothermal is set to launch its IPO, becoming one of the 4 state-owned companies that are set to be listed on the Indonesian stock exchange so far this year. Pertamina Geothermal began its initial shares auctioning process today on Monday, the 20th of January. The company will offer 10.35 billion shares to the public at 875 rupiah per share. Pertamina Geothermal is hoping to raise 9.05 trillion rupiah, or around $597 million from its IPO. The funds from the IPO will be used to improve Pertamina Geothermal's business operations and also used to increase capacity at geothermal power plants across the country. Pertamina Geothermal is a subsidiary of Indonesia's state-owned oil company Pertamina. Up until 2021, Pertamina Geothermal operates 21 geothermal power plants across Indonesia that can generate up to 672 megawatts of electricity, which is roughly 29% of total electricity generation in Indonesia. The shares auctioning process for Pertamina Geothermal on the Indonesian Stock Exchange will last until Wednesday, and Pertamina Geothermal will be finally listed on the IDX this Friday, the 24th of February.